Yellow girl's going after the bird. Good puppy. Oh, here comes green boy. He wants it. Oh, good girl. I know. Go find one. There's a whole bunch of them down here. Oh, he's so proud. I'm going to have to stand up. Oh, boy, sorry. Get the birdies. Get it. Oh, yum, yum. Oh, yum, yum. Here, look. Go get it. Come on, you guys. Where's the bird? Find it. Sniff it out. Sniff it out. Green is using his nose. Sniff it out. Where's the bird? Yellow girl's going nuts with her wing. Yay, girl. Woo. All right. Find it? Where's the birdie? Oh, look who's proud to have a bird wing. Yay. Oh, she found the other one. She's showing off to everyone. Where is it? Oh, she just hid the other one. Atta girl, get that bird. Get that bird. Orange is like, I did the tunnel. I'm going on my skateboard. Yellow's back to work. Sniff it out. Come on. Where is the birdie? Use your nose. Green is really working at it. He's really sniffing. That's where one was before. You can find it. You can find it. Get the birdie. That a girl. What's that? Oh, right. Get it. Find a birdie. Where's the birdie? You're close. Look at him work. You can find it. Come on, where is it? You're getting there. Look. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Yeah, boy. Look at that tail go 100 miles an hour. Oh, so good. You worked your nose on that one. Yeah, you did. Good boy. Good boy. You found it. What a good man. Oh, so proud. Oh, it's a very good. Red boy's trying to get on it. Green really worked for that. That was awesome, boy. Good job. Here we have orange and yellow. Oh, so proud. Oh, he's so proud. Oh, yes. Boy, do I want a picture. Oh. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Are you showing off? Yeah. You are showing off. Good job.